welcome back to another video. Happy August, ladies and gentlemen. We have to get at least to 4,000 subscribers before the end of August. I want to get to 5,000, but we gotta hit at least 4,000. Today what we're gonna do though is a POV driving the Jimny. When I first got the Jimny, I was very curious to know what the driving experience is gonna be compared to the auto one I had. Same exact car, same wild wind, same motor, same everything. This one even has way more kilometers, but I was just very curious to know, is this one any better on the highway? Is the gearing any better? So that's what we're gonna see in today's video. Click the corner right now if you wanna see the auto version of this, but today we're gonna do the 5-speed. So performance-wise, I would have to say that the 5-speed definitely pulls harder, especially after changing it and putting a brand new manifold, brand new turbo gaskets. It definitely throws you back more. You're gonna see in today's video. I'm gonna do like a 2-camera setup. I'm gonna have my phone like here, and then I'm just gonna have this here. So I'm just gonna drive straight on like a residential road right now. You guys will see all the shifting and all that good stuff too. Let me put the window up. I don't know if you could see the boost light, but try to pay attention to the boost light if you can. So right now I'm going 60 kilometers an hour. Not fast, nothing crazy. All right, now we're gonna switch to this camera and I'm gonna show you guys from a 0 to like 60 kilometer pull right now. We're in first. Alright, so now I'm going to get on the highway and we'll see how it does at high speeds. I haven't really got it up to like 110 or 120 just because, like I mentioned before, my tires are pretty shot. But like right now I'm in third. In boost. Wait, I'm in fourth. Now I'm in fifth. Switch it up real quick. So here's fifth gear. Here's a very comfortable cruising speed right now. Like honestly, this is probably the speed you're supposed to be driving, but on the American highways it's pretty hard. So I usually go about, I'd say like here, a good like 80, 90. Again, it's still good. I'm only at like 4,000 on the RPM, but it isn't like this. Like I'm gonna get to 100 just so you guys can see. Tires, by the way. If I had bigger like grabbers or something, my RPMs would be much higher. But even at a speed like this, like if I put my foot all the way down, you can see the turbo light, I can go faster. Like I can keep up with this TL. I can even pass some cars. Like I don't feel unsafe. That's the word to use. Like I do wish I had brand new tires and I wish I had some better suspension, but it doesn't feel like super sloppy. Like let me like play with the road really quick. I don't think the camera's gonna pick it up. I don't want to go too crazy. But like, do you see that shake? Yeah, I think the camera's picking up. At least like with my body. But right here with my current setup, these current tires, I feel like this is my sweet spot. I'm going about like 90, which is what, like 55 miles per hour maybe. And it just feels good. Steering wheel's not moving too much. Like look, I'm not even touching it. Everything feels nice and planted. And then if I need to, I can just punch it a bit. Right in front of these guys. You know, hit 100. Even 110, it doesn't feel crazy. You can look at my steering wheel. It's pretty normal. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but this is a very bumpy ride. Like I can't wait to swap my tires and my suspension. I feel like my shocks are blown. I feel like there's no sway bar. I don't even know. I have to just really get under the car and look at everything because it's way too bouncy, way too uncomfortable. But here you can see I'm really just flowing with the traffic. Again, I'm going 70 kilometers an hour. I'm at 3,500 on the RPM. I'm in the left lane at that and still passing I do the tires and all the suspension stuff, I really could see myself taking this on even a further trip than the Bravo, because I feel like a car like this, I don't feel the need to go fast. Like when I was in the Wagon-R, I felt the need to go fast because it was sporty. When I was in the Bravo, it wasn't sporty, but the engine note and just, I don't know, everything about it kind of felt like I needed more. In this car, I know that like I'm sitting a little higher, it's more of an off-road build. I'm okay with, for some reason, just mentally cruising at like 90, 80 kilometers an hour. Like I really don't mind, because I know at any point I could just pull over and start driving like in the sand or go off-roading or just camp somewhere. So I honestly really could see myself keeping this car for a very long time. So hopefully that happens. Hopefully you guys see it on the channel. But even like right now, like look at all the cars I'm passing right now, and I'm going 80 kilometers an hour. Like look, cruising. It's very bumpy, which I hate, but I'm gonna look into that. We're gonna fix all that. But I'm still in the left lane. There's no one behind me. I'll switch over. Cruising. In the right lane, chilling. And like I said 1,000 times already, if I wanted to pass this Toyota, or if I wanted to pass this Jeep right there, all we gotta do is put our foot down. You see that green to this light, and then it's just deuces. It's deuces to everybody. Toyota, I'm coming. I'm at 5,500, 100 on the kilometers. We're out. Not sleep on the Jimny. Let's see how much. Let's see if I can go to 120. I don't think I have enough room. I gotta get off on this exit, so let's see how the Jimny is gonna do that. We do not want to wait on this line. This is way too many cars. We're in neutral right now, chilling. Going 50 kilometers. Where are we going to enter this line? In front of the budget truck? I think so. Alright, we're here. We did that in neutral. Now what I also really love about this Jimny, I don't know if they go for all of them, but this one in comparison to my automatic, it's super quiet. Like right now, I'm in neutral. I'm at like 1,500 on the RPM, just rolling. And the car is so quiet. We'll go into second. Back to neutral. And to me, that's a really big deal because like I said, I love going on road trips. And when I'm in traffic, I'm not trying to have the engine flaring up, making my seat hot, and just being annoying. Like, I want this to be as quiet as possible. I haven't even really added any sound deadening too. I probably will add a lot here, especially if I'm going to keep the car. Probably sound deaden everything, even the headliner, since I have nothing up there right now. I'll probably headline this. Something else I want to get done before the summer's over is I want to do another comparison video like I did with the Wagon-R and Bravo. Like I want to do a interior comparison check, off-road test, maybe a drag race between the two cars. Like I need somebody that has a similar car to this. Like if you have another Jimny, I'm gonna see if the Pajero from the last video is down. We'll go to Brooklyn and do the same exact thing. But if you're watching this, even if you have a K-Van, I guess, but I want to do even a K-Truck, I guess, also. But I feel like K-Trucks and K-Vans may beat this just because they're a little lighter. But this one does have a turbo, so I don't know. But I definitely want to do that before the summer's over, so stay tuned for those videos too. But like I said before, this is my normal driving. This is why I don't mind getting a K-Truck. I rarely am on the highway for long periods of time, and if I am, the speed limit's 50 in New York, so I could cruise at 60 with no issue. I'm usually just sitting in traffic like this. What do these do? I know it obviously looks like fog lights, but when I press it, a sound over here clicks. You probably can't hear it, but a sound over there clicks and nothing happens. So I'm very curious with that. I'm probably just gonna wire my fog lights that I bought on Amazon here. So that might be coming very soon. But everything else works. Like this works. The defroster, I'm not sure if it works, but the button lights up. This works. Like I said, I gotta fix my AC. Speakers work. I'm gonna get some gauges here, so that's coming very soon. But the Jimny coming along nice and proper. The boost definitely comes in around like 3,500, and it holds it to like 5. Yeah, 35 is like, so I guess I'll show you guys how short the gears are. So right now I'm at first. You go to that to about like 18 miles per hour. Like look, the car's already like shift. I'm at 5,000. Second, not much longer. You could go to maybe 27, 30. Like right now I'm still in second. Alright, you can go to like 30. Again, I'm at 5,000 now. Now third. But now I'm still in third. You can see when the turbo kicks into this phenomenal. Look at the difference. Fourth. I mean, fourth is kind of a highway gear. Look at this guy looking at us. Well, fourth we go pretty fast. I don't gotta show you guys fourth. But yeah, I'm in this video here. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I catch you guys on the next one. More Jimny videos coming very, very soon.